Xmas is you.
On each day I feel like giving up. I pray you find a reason to hold on. Even one thing that can make you smile is a prayer answered, this I know. For each day.
So today, it's Wednesday. It's almost Christmas. I don't work until the 23rd. Kind of lied. I might work because I'm on call. Currently, I'm supposed to be on call on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but I'm waiting to see if it either gets picked up or dropped or whatever. So, my goal is that I won't work. We'll see what happens. Before that, I just wanted to jump into my closet and kind of unload a little bit. I feel like this is actually a decent amount of stuff to get rid of. Current dilemma. I'm ready, and my uniform is not. It's very wrinkly. Tried to steam it out in the shower while I got ready. I have to go about right now. Iron it, or will my body stretch out the wrinkles? I'm leaning toward the latter. Hey guys, so I am currently in my hotel room in Cincinnati, and I just finished doing some editing and I'm currently exporting, so hopefully that all goes well. Love my sweater, by the way. I probably worn this before, but well, I know I've worn it before, but I mean I've probably worn it in a video before. But if not, bought this from, thrifted this, and it's originally Wild Fox. And it's just loose and cozy, and the back has like a ruffle, and it's so cute, so I very much love this. I usually don't, to be honest, pack like warm, not warm, I pack warm stuff, but I don't usually pack thick sweaters like this because it's too bulky in my bag. But I knew I wasn't planning on leaving my rooms really on this trip, so I mainly packed loungewear. Honestly, I hope I packed actual jeans though, because I didn't realize what my layover was since I got this trip yesterday while I was on call. Actually, like the second my plane was about to take off for me to head to New York, I got the call that I had this trip. And yeah, thank goodness I just checked. I actually did bring jeans. Tomorrow we're going to Minneapolis, as if all goes as planned. But yeah, I need to get a white elephant gift because that's what my family did last year and is doing again this year. And maybe something small for my parents. Oh, I should get Rose something. We're also doing a very small gift exchange this year, but he kind of hinted at what he is planning on getting me, which I don't really see happening because it's very specific, and I feel like you probably have to order online, and I feel like he's not going to be able to get it by Christmas, which I don't even care about. It's a thought that counts. It's really, really, really thoughtful. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna make coffee. It's like fully plugged in. That's amazing. What's not amazing is it's K-cups, which I really don't want. In celebration of actually having a cup, I am going to have instant coffee instead of a K-cup because I think it tastes better. I believe the hotel I'm staying at tomorrow has like an espresso machine, which so hopefully I'm remembering correctly and I'm not going to be disappointed. If not, I can walk to Starbucks, but why am I already planning my coffee order for tomorrow? Like, okay, this is me currently panicking because I can't find my decaf coffee. I've just been laying in this bed And that's, I'm currently eating in my bed, which is a horrible idea, but that's basically the only place I want to be, I guess. Just been on the phone with Rose for probably like 3 hours, so, you know, distractions. Before that, I was actually, that's a lie. I think I've only been talking to him for probably an hour. Before that, I think I spiraled into a YouTube hole where I watched tons of videos on narcissism, trying to decide if I'm a narcissist or if people in my life are narcissists, and blah blah blah. Took a test. It said I could be mildly narcissist, which isn't that shocking because the questions like, do you dream about being hugely successful? I put yes. It is currently 1 a.m. My pickup tomorrow is at 4:50 a.m. I just finished editing. And yeah, that's mainly what my day persisted of because I had to get a couple videos out. So look at me. I would like to say though that it's awesome watching 2020 Vlogmas that I never posted and comparing it to 2021 Vlogmas. I can 100% see a difference in my confidence, not just with the camera, but in general, because I am just who I am. Like, the amount of goofiness that I am in my vlogs is similar to how I am in real life. I have just grown so much, and even just over a year now in 30, like, it's happening even faster. I just see my mind opening. I see myself in the moment, like recognizing that my mindset has changed, or what I used to think I don't think anymore, or even like what I'm about to say, like, oh wait, no, I see more now. I see the other side, or I see it differently, and it's so cool to be able to watch back and like have to focus on it, you know. It's not just like a little click on my phone. It's like full-blown conversations. Like, I can't even put everything in these vlogs that I have filmed because some days there's just so much content. It's like there's days where there's endless content, there's other days where there's no content, and it's kind of frustrating that, like, I feel like a lot of vloggers could just like pull from different days to like fill in the gaps where like you're lighter, you know. Like, maybe I filmed a lot on the 17th in 2020, but I didn't in 2021. That's perfect. But what if I filmed nothing both days on the 21st? Like, maybe I could pull some footage, but it's so hard with my life because you have to follow the storyline. Like, one day I'm in one city, one day I'm in a different city. So like, if I move the footage around, it doesn't make sense because I'm not in the city that I was in yesterday. Like, I need to wake up and go to sleep like in cities that correspond. Having to work with all this footage, I've never edited something this massive before, and it has just been such a learning experience. I'm kind of switching topics right now. At first I was talking about confidence, and now I'm talking about my editing skills, but again, it's just all growth. Like, I just feel like I'm changing, and I feel so excited about it. I feel like so blessed that I can just like look back and actually see the growth. So like, to confirm it. I don't know why I'm saying all this. I guess with all that said, I just would hope that you too would give yourself some grace when you feel like you may be struggling, because if you look back a year ago, or maybe even like a month ago or 6 months ago, or maybe a lot longer, maybe 5 years ago, whatever amount of time you want to look back. But I swear, even just the smallest amount, I'm sure you've had so much growth. Even if it doesn't feel like in the moment, like me sitting where I am right now, I'm doing some things that are exactly the same that I was doing last year, sitting in a random hotel room. In yesterday's vlog, I was sitting in a random hotel room. I'm pretty sure last year. But it's so different. Like, I feel secure rather than feeling like questioning, you know, staying in and not doing anything on my layover. I've always done that. I enjoy my time, like my me time, because I feel like when I'm not working, I have so many obligations. So when I am working, it's like just about me, and if I just want to lay in bed all day, or I just want to have a spa day, or I just want to spend time with myself, I don't feel bad about that. But when I first started this job, I did kind of feel bad about that sometimes, because I felt like, you know, I'm in a new city, I should go explore it, I need to explore it. If I don't explore it, like, I'm missing something. You know, I had a little bit of that FOMO, I guess. I don't have that at all anymore. I don't care. I'd be so happy if all I do is go to the grocery store, if that's all I want to do. And I would be so happy if I spend the day sleeping, if the night before I didn't sleep. So I feel like, again, that's growth. And I am just happy to be able to acknowledge that. I'm grateful for Vlogmas, for just reaffirming what I kind of knew, but this confirms it in a whole other way, like watching myself act different, watching myself feel more confident and be more assured. Like, I don't know, it just feels different being able to watch it. It's cool, trust me. Or if you don't trust me, try it. It's really cool. Anyways, on that note, I do just want to thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. If you are still here, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Please, I need it. And if you're still here, if you could please take a moment to check out one of these videos over here, because I promise you, they are so much better than the video you are currently watching. Hey guys.